I always talking about some 49ers. Y'all was good last year. That's the New Year, New Year. I don't want to hear that shit. I don't want to hear nothing about no pass. Hell no. You say put that leg on her, that means Earl Spence got his ass kicked. You say drop a L on it, drop a foot. Oh boy. Can't get mad. It is what it is. Shit. Ain't nobody else fault but his. Coming out there looking all sloppy. My kid was like, they was feeling sorry for him. Throw a punch. Throw a punch. Hit him. I'm like, hug him, man. Hug. Shit. Damn, last at least, I thought they were going to get the money worth. Shit. He couldn't even hug his way out, y'all. He couldn't hug his way out, y'all. He was shit. Old ball on his ass. Well, not really. Shit, he brought the ass whooping. I'm put it like that. Earl was walking up to an ass whooping. If y'all watched his damn fight, man, Earl kept walking up to his ass like he really got some. Until it's the down at the what? Probably the 6th round, man. He wasn't ready. He wasn't ready. He walking to the punches, y'all. When you see somebody walking to a fight, this nigga walking to the boom, boom. He think he got to come on. Jab over top. Man, he already know your setup, man. Once he saw that other setup, he boom, counted his ass. Oh, Lord, he rocked his face, y'all, so bad. Boy, man, it looked like a video game. He bloom. I said, damn. Saw blood to go everywhere, so yeah. Earl, don't be mad. Say, you gotta do better, bro. That shit right there, man. Everybody wanna be suspicious, wanna whoop your ass now. Everybody wanna fight you now. Everybody looking like, that's who the fuck was talking shit out. What? Damn, I could have got them bills. I bet a lot of people like, damn, I should have fight him for that shit. That nigga didn't do shit. That nigga didn't do shit, y'all. I was like, damn. Jeez, pinched it. No, he didn't do shit, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I said, the hell y'all want? Y'all like, man, he didn't do nothing. That boy was out there looking like a pit bull. They got out the cage with a wolf. That wolf ate his ass there. I said, wow. Talking that shit. Can't be talking that shit, y'all. And plus, man. Yeah. Bud put something on his ass, y'all. I said, whoa. Flat foot, y'all. What? Look how he was coming at him. He was coming at him slow. Creeping. Sizing him up. Pop. Still back. Walking to all that little bullshit he throwing overhands. He thought it was going to be a brawl after this. Oh boy. Bud came with a fucking game plan. And his dumb ass looking stupid and shit. I'm to my man, he hit him in that gut, y'all. I think he shitted. He hit Earl in his gut so hard, I think Earl shitted. I'm like, damn. Oh, don't do him like that. Pop. Boy, man, say, y'all think I'm playing, man. Say, he broke him off something, y'all. I think he shitted. I know Tank Davis was looking like, what the hell? I think he wants some of that now. See, when you something like that and you look like you was shitty, and like you put a piece of meat out there to some dogs. You thought you was hard? Oh shit, man, that nigga ain't shit. Oh man, I got people reacting to Earl getting his ass whooped. Oh wait. Oh man, this shit going crazy. Damn, see that what happened, see? Hey, boy, you made that look like shit. Damn, boy, I saw it. They got people roasting his ass now. See, I told y'all, man, Crawford is shit. Y'all would look at that boy documentary, y'all. That boy come with it. He wasn't ready for this shit.